All right, this is video number 2 on trying to save Kate. This is a really nice looking parts mower I bought for $10. And I was hoping I wouldn't have to do much to it, but it did have a bent blade and a bent crankshaft. And the first thing I noticed, they had overfilled it with oil, and that's a hint that something's wrong, because that's often what people will do in sort of a panic. They'll think, oh my gosh, what have I done to my mower? Because they've hit it and it's vibrating like crazy, so they'll put a bunch of oil in it. Well, that wasn't the problem, and they bent the crankshaft and sheared the key, and I'm sorry, they didn't shear the key, they what I call bumped it, so it was not in line with the correct spot on the flywheel any longer. So I put some gas in this mower. I've cleaned out the old gas. This mower was made in 2018. It's probably been sitting around for 4 or 5 years. And the guy just wanted to get rid of it. His wife told him to get rid of all these old mowers that were traded into him to get electric mowers. And so I have straightened the crankshaft using the hammer I showed you earlier. And we're going to pull the cord on this, and I'm predicting that it will start. I'm also predicting that it's going to smoke like crazy. So as you can see, I'm out here on my property. I'm a long way from my neighbors because I don't want a bunch of old, small engine smoke blowing up on them. And the wind is kind of favoring me. So let's see what happens and see if it smokes and see if the smoke goes away as it burns off. Got to prime it first. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Also, we're looking to see if this mower is going to vibrate, to see if I straighten the shaft or not. Alright, we're started on the first pull. That's always a good sign. As it heats up, let's see if it starts trying to burn off a bunch of oil. Tiny bit of vibration there, but nothing like this. Again, this is a $10 parts mower. It's in beautiful condition. Got the little paper tag on the gas tank. I've got the tub level set up as high as it'll go to have to walk out this pasture.